How do you see this ZP polls?
See, it's clear victory for us. There is no doubt about it, and I can say it because we work very hard towards the development of the constituency, and also it is uh, the touch that we keep with the people. It's not only about me or Babush, it's about all our punch members actually who work tirelessly actually 24/7 and at any time. So this is Madhya as one of our punch members, and I think I can say it with confidence because we work a lot. We work as a team.
Any effect you feel that will put up about these issues which are going on in the last few months?
No, I don't think so. I don't think it would have much of an effect. At least if you talk about double tracking, it's not affecting us as in the sense it doesn't pass through our constituency. Molem also, I also don't think like I don't think the whole situation was explained very well or understood very well about the Molem. There's a lot of like news going around that a lot of trees were going to be cut down, like 85,000 or more than that. But I think it is not so much uh, that those number of trees that are going to be cut down, and it is something I would think the Molem project actually is very important for the state as in regards to electricity.
Are your voters with you, the same voters that have remained with you, are they with you still the same even after you have changed the party?
Uh, yeah, so I would think there would be a few people that would have been upset. I would be lying if I said that nobody is upset. So yes, a few people might be upset, but I think in general, people are with us. It's also about the face behind the party.
Okay. Madam, one more thing is that now ZP polls, after that you have municipality elections,
Yes.
and after that assembly.
Yes.
So how important do you feel when you have municipalities, then assembly you have to go?
Yeah, I think in a way ZP elections are like as we call it, like the semi-finals. We would get to know a lot about the trend of voting, and also this is the time we'll know how many people are actually upset with us. So it's a time where we find out what's happening, and I think take measures to correct the same. If
Madam, is it this 8 months gap was there for this election? This will affect anything for your things?
I think we did a lot of campaigning at that time, and because of COVID, everything had come to a standstill. So so what we did now was just to go to people's houses and just keep in touch with them. I think people by now know who they want to vote for.
And do you think the ZP should be given more powers? There's always neglection about the ZP.
I think from the time I was ZP chairperson to now, I think funding has increased also a little bit, and I think our state is a small state for this three tier. Those you actually made tailor made for bigger states, wherein devolution of powers was equal to panchayats and zilla panchayats.
And when you talk about, say, suppose like any elections, for the Montserrats and the Taligaon, when you talk about, does it matter how important, how much it matters? Because it has been Montserrat's bastion for years now.
Yeah, and I'm thinking the way we are working, it will be our bastion for quite some time. And we also have, like I said, wonderful punch members, and also the CCP on the CCP side. So I think with their help, we could not have done it by ourselves. So with the help of our team, I think it will be our bastion for a bit.
Thank you.